Raila Odinga is mourning the loss of his longtime personal aide and bodyguard, George Oduor, who passed away at Nairobi West Hospital after a short illness. Oduor had been by Raila's side for nearly 3 decades, ensuring his safety in both the chaos of street protests and the high-stakes world of political negotiations. The veteran opposition leader took to social media to express his deep sorrow, saying, "It is with profound shock and sadness that I announce the passing of my personal aide and bodyguard, George Oduor, this evening in Nairobi after a short illness." For many who followed Kenyan politics, George Oduor was more than just a bodyguard. He was a silent but ever-present figure, fiercely loyal and deeply committed to his duty. His role extended beyond physical security. He was a trusted confidant and a steadying force in Raila's inner circle. Those who knew him describe him as tough yet polite, a man who carried himself with quiet strength. Oduor's connection to the Odinga family runs deep. Raila revealed that he had been part of both his and Jaramogi Oginga Odinga's family since the late 1980s, making him not just a bodyguard, but an integral part of the family's political journey. "We have stood, fallen, and risen together. He has been a vigilant, calm, confident, and extremely professional aide dedicated to duty and a dependable rock on my side all these years through tumultuous periods," Raila said, emphasizing the profound impact Oduor had on his life. In his tribute, Raila also extended his condolences to Oduor's family, offering words of comfort to his wife, Carol George, and their loved ones. To his wife, Carol George, entire family, colleagues, and friends, I offer Mama Aide's and the entire Jaramogi family's sincere condolences at this devastating loss. May the Almighty rest his soul in eternal peace. Oduor's passing marks the end of an era for Raila Odinga, whose political career has been shaped by some of the most intense moments in Kenya's history. In those defining moments, whether during political detentions, election battles, or mass protests, Oduor was always there, a silent guardian in the storm. His loss is not just a personal blow to Raila, but a reminder of the unseen sacrifices made by those who stand in the shadows, ensuring the safety of Kenya's political leaders.